I left the noise behind to find myself, to find a place where the world slows to match my breath. Here, calm is not an escape. From the comfort of this effortlessly beautiful room, the mountains greet me as my first sign. Here, a quiet is held gently by nature, a sanctuary softly nestled by the river. Here, I found the joy of simply being unhurried. Here, wellness is not practiced, it is lived, in breath, in movement, in stillness. Here, every plate carries the quiet soul of Sikkim, and every sip transports to the rolling greens of Temi Hills. From here, the world unfolds gently around me. Namchi's calm, the timeless charm of Pelling, and the vibrant spirit of Gangtok. At Simala, I learned luxury is not what surrounds you, it's what settles within you. Simala retreat, come back to nature.